Hey everybody, my name is Noah and welcome to ISE 2020. We're at the Google Cloud booth and today I'd like to show you a little bit about our digital whiteboarding solution, Jamboard. Jamboard is a 55-inch 4K Ultra HD display utilizing 2 passive styluses and 1 eraser to create content and or erase it. So let me show you a couple of the unique functions that Jamboard is capable of doing. The first of which is utilizing a unique tool set called handwriting recognition. If you're like me and in the meeting room space you have terrible handwriting and you'd like something to help you along a little bit, this is going to be a great tool. Let's go ahead and write something real simple up here on the board and see the magic of what Google can do. It's going to convert this into a live object. Pretty cool. It's an ooh-ah feature, I like to say. If I want to strike anything here, I can. Some live on-the-fly editing as well. Jamboard is also capable of being your video conferencing solution in a box. In order to show you that, I'm going to be able to present my jam session directly into a Google Meet. A couple of different flavors of how Jamboard can do this. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, drop on by the Google booth or join us at g.co/gsuite/meet. Have a great day. Cheers.